I first heard about microplastics in 2012 and a light went off for me. I couldn't believe that the waters that I grew up on and lived on were filled with plastic. So I set out to figure out where that plastic was distributed, how much plastic was in the waters.
There is a common theme to all of the expeditions that I do, and the equipment and gear that we have absolutely cannot fail. It has to work at optimum performance. That's where the Dell rugged technology comes into. The Dell machine learning technology is also here with us. It's performing at an optimum level. This is the first time that science and machine learning technology has synergized in Antarctica.
Microplastics isn't just a marine species and food web issue, it's a climate change issue.
I started using and testing Dell rugged technology for about 7 years now. I've taken Dell rugged to the deepest jungles, to the hottest deserts, to high altitude, and it has worked optimally. And now we're at the hardest place to get to, the harshest environment here in Antarctica, and this is really the ultimate test for Dell rugged.
We are out here collecting the microplastic samples to build the model for our future algorithm. We are machine learning species of penguins, seals, whales, and other environmental changes.
Using Dell Rugged in the field has been incredible. It can get dropped on rocks. It's totally indestructible.
By understanding the data that we're collecting with Abby, taking the air samples, the water samples, we are understanding what we're actually able to achieve in the field.
We've been trying to get good weather, but we got hit by some crazy storms. We kind of shifted gears from the east side of Antarctica over to the west side of the peninsula. Beautiful morning once again out here among these thousands of chinstrap penguins, and we're using this Edge gateway device. This is allowing myself and Josh to really do this machine learning and edge computing, from facial recognition with penguins to the microplastics research to different iceberg shapes. We're really trying to push the edge of technology and what's possible.
Being able to depend on the gateway to connect so many dissimilar devices has literally saved hundreds of man-hours.
Being able to utilize technology and AI right here at the edge on site with us in Antarctica means that we can get more value from our data right here as we're collecting it.
So during the course of this expedition to the Antarctic Peninsula, we were able to take 18 samples here on board the ship. We were able to collect 38 air samples, 27 surface water samples, and we took 9 field blanks, which is really important for this research to make sure that our sampling gear is not contributing to microplastic contamination in the filters. Plastics are running awry, and unless we do something now, we really are going to have a much larger pollution problem on our hands. All of our little actions to stop plastic consumption add up and can create a tidal wave of change. And change is absolutely imperative now if we don't want a future choked with plastic pollution. There's no reason to wait any longer.